tips prolong the service life of barrel and save cost. According to the twin screw movement principle mechanism of PVC flooring, with a tightly matched and outward counter-rotating pattern, the material in the barrel moves forward in a C form and mainly wear the upper wall of the barrel. Conventional consensus in this field, usually one set of barrel equipped with 2 sets of twin screws. Boyle recommend a better upgraded scheme. When replaced with a second set of screws, assemble the new screws in an opposite direction. The adjustment method is consistent with the conventional method, as well as the level and clearance adjustment. Meantime, make sure the wiring phase sequence connected with converter need to be reversed, any 2-phase, so that the screw will work reversed and the material will go under the barrel without accumulation. In this way, the main wear part becomes lower wall of barrel, equivalent to a disguised extension of the barrel at least twice the service life.